Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the type of informations you want to receive from the Zap-Map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the account section, click on the contact settings button. And within this section, look for the what information would you like to receive from Zap-Map question. And here you will find all the options. So for example, if you want to receive Zap-Map promotions, then just click on the circle next to it. And once there's an orange tick inside, it means that you're subscribed for that type of information. And if you're ready, just click on the update button and the changes are saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.